वेलकम स्टुडंट. आज आपण आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम या टॉपिकमधला सोलिबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट हा भाग पाहणार आहोत. सोलिबिलिटी इक्विलिब्रियम. Here after we confine our attention to sparingly soluble compounds, that is compounds those dissolve only slightly in water. आता कम्प्लिटली डिझॉल्व आणि स्पेरिंगली डिझॉल्व म्हणजे काय? स्पेरिंगली डिझॉल्व म्हणजे पार्टली डिझॉल्व, म्हणजे ते जे कंपाऊंड असतो तो वॉटरमध्ये कम्प्लीट डिझॉल्व होत नाही, पार्टली काही प्रमाणामध्ये डिझॉल्व होणे, त्याला आपण पार्टली डिझॉल्व किंवा स्पेरिंगली सोल्युबल इन कंपाऊंड किंवा वॉटर असं आपण म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. आता यानंतर फॉर एक्झाम्पल AgCl डिझॉल्व इन वॉटर. This solution is formed to most of the salt remains undissolved. आता यामध्ये जे सिल्वर AgCl आहे, हे AgCl हे कम्प्लिटली सोल्युबल नाही, पार्टली सोल्युबल आहे. आणि पार्टली सोल्युबल असल्यामुळं त्यामध्ये अनडिझॉल्व AgCl शिल्लक राहतं. पहा, द सॉलिड AgCl इज कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ इट्स सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. AgCl is a strong electrolyte, hence the quantity of AgCl that dissolves in water dissociates completely into its constituent ions Ag plus and Cl minus. A dynamic equilibrium exists between undissolved solid AgCl and the dissolved ions Ag plus and Cl minus in the saturated solution. This equilibrium called as solubility equilibrium. आता यामध्ये ज्यावेळी हे जे AgCl आहे, हे AgCl डिसोसिएट होत असते, त्यामध्ये Ag प्लस आणि Cl मायनस आयन्स फॉर्म होतो. अ डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम एक्झिस्ट बिटवीन अनडिझॉल्व सॉलिड AgCl अँड दी डिझॉल्व आयन्स Ag प्लस अँड Cl मायनस इन सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. दिस इक्विलिब्रियम called as solubility equilibrium. It represented as AgCl to use Ag plus Cl minus. ठीक आहे. एक्सप्रेशन फॉर इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्स्टंट. इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्स्टंट साठी K हा सिंबल यूज केला जातो. K इज इक्वल टू Ag प्लस इंटू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ Ag प्लस कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ Cl मायनस अपॉन AgCl. ठीक है. The concentration of undissolved solid AgCl is constant. We may write AgCl is equal to constant K dash. AgCl is constant is K dash. K is equal to Ag plus Cl minus upon K dash. K into K dash is equal to AgCl Ag plus Cl minus. The product of K into K dash is the another constant and is called as solubility product. आता यामध्ये आपण डिसोसिएशन कॉन्स्टंटचं इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्स्टंट K इज इक्वल टू Ag प्लस आणि Cl मायनस अपॉन AgCl ही इक्वेशन आपण लिहिल्यानंतर यामध्ये AgCl जे आहे हे कॉन्स्टंट कन्सिडर ॲज K डॅश, आणि हे K डॅश आणि इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्स्टंट K हा अनदर कॉन्स्टंट आहे, आणि त्या अनदर कॉन्स्टंटला त्या ठिकाणी आपण सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट असं म्हणतो. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ K इंटू K डॅश इज अनदर कॉन्स्टंट अँड इज कॉल्ड ॲज सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट. दॅट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ आयन्स इन अ सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय KSP. KSP is equal to concentration of AgCl into concentration of Cl minus. Concentration of AgCl, Ag plus and Cl minus. ठीक है. For the general salt solubility equilibrium, BxAy to gives xB raised to y plus in aqueous medium plus y into x raised to x minus in aqueous medium. Solubility product is a KSP KSP म्हणजे सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट, हा सिंबल यूज केलेला आहे KSP. B raised to y plus raised to x into concentration of A raised to x minus raised to y. ठीक है. Thus in the saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt, the product of equilibrium concentration of the constituent ions raised to power equal to their respective coefficient in the balanced equilibrium expression at a given temperature is called as solubility product. Solubility product, in the saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt, the product of equilibrium concentration of the constituent ions raised to the power equal to the respective coefficient in the balanced equilibrium expression at a given temperature is called as solubility product. Okay, then consider following examples. BaSO4 to gives B plus SO4 minus in aqueous medium. KSP solubility product constant is concentration of Ba2 plus into concentration of SO4 2 minus. CaF2 to gives Ca2 plus 2F minus in aqueous. KSP is equal to Ca2 plus into concentration of F minus. Bi2S3 to gives 2Bi3 plus in aqueous medium plus 3S2 minus in aqueous medium. KSP is equal to Bi3 plus raised to square into S2 minus raised to thrice. ठीक है. Another example, Ca3PO4 twice to gives 3Ca2 plus 2PO4 3 minus in aqueous medium. KSP is equal to K Ca3 2 plus raised to 3 PO4 3 minus raised to 2. ठीक है. Then relationship between solubility and solubility product. Solubility and solubility product. The solubility of a compound is the amount in grams that dissolve per unit volume, which may be 100 ml or 1 liter of its saturated solution. Molar solubility is the number of moles of a compound that dissolve to give 1 liter of saturated solution is called as its molar solubility. Molar solubility, the molar number of moles of a compound that dissolve to give 1 liter of saturated solution is called as its molar solubility. Molar solubility is equal to solubility in grams per liter divided by molar mass in grams per mole. ठीक है. Molar solubility is equal to solubility in grams per mole divided by molar mass in grams per mole. Consider once again the solubility equilibrium for xy bxay to gives xb raised to y plus y raised to a y into a raised to x minus in aqueous medium. The solubility product is given by KSP is equal to b raised to y plus raised to x into a raised to x minus raised to y. If S is the molar solubility of the compound, the equilibrium concentration of the ions in the saturated solution will be b raised to by minus plus to gives x s mole per liter, a raised to x minus is equal to x s mole per liter. From above equation, KSP is equal to x s raised to x y s raised to y is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, x plus y. For AgBr to gives Ag plus Br minus. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Then another example, PbI2 to gives Pb2 plus in I minus x is equal to 1, y is equal to, therefore Ksp is equal to 1 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, s 1 plus 2, 4 s thrice, AlOH thrice. AlOH thrice in solid to gives Al3 plus in aqueous medium, 3 OH minus x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, Ksp is equal to 1 raised to 1, 3 raised to 3, yes 1 plus 2, 3 to gives 27, yes raised to 4. ठीक आहे. आता यानंतर condition of precipitation. Ionic product of an electrolyte is defined as in the same way as solubility product. The only difference is that the ionic product expression contains concentration of ions under any condition, whereas expression of Ksp contains only equilibrium concentration. If ionic product Ip is equal to Ksp, the solution is saturated, solubility equilibrium exists. If ionic product is greater than Ksp, solubility product, the solution of supersaturated and hence precipitation of the compound will be occur. आता यामध्ये पहा, आयनिक प्रोडक्ट आणि सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट हे जर इक्वल असेल तर ते सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन असते आणि सोल्युबिलिटी इक्विलिब्रियम हा एक्झिस्ट होतो. आणि जर समजा आयनिक प्रोडक्ट आणि सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट यामध्ये आयनिक प्रोडक्ट जर ग्रेटर असेल तर सोल्युशन हे सुपर सॅच्युरेटेड असते आणि म्हणून प्रिसिपिटेशन ऑफ द कंपाऊंड विल बी ऑकर. आणि जर समजा आयनिक प्रोडक्ट हा लेस दॅन Ksp असेल, सोल्युशन हे अनसॅच्युरेटेड असते आणि प्रिसिपिटेशन विल नॉट ऑकर. आता सॅच्युरेटेड म्हणजे काय की जास्तीत जास्त त्यामध्ये सॉलिड सबस्टन्स हा डिझॉल्व केलेला असतो त्या सोल्युशनमध्ये, त्याला आपण सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन असं म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. आता यानंतर कन्सिडर ए सोल्युशन ऑफ वीक ॲसिड अँड इट्स सोल्युबल ionic salt sodium acetate. Acetic acid is a weak acid, dissociates only slightly in solution. Acetic acid to gives acetate ion H plus. Sodium acetate dissociate to gives strong electrolyte, dissociate almost completely to gives CH3COO minus Na plus. Both the acid and the salt produce CH3COO minus ions in solution. Sodium acetate dissociate completely, therefore it provide a high concentration of CH3COO carboxylate ions. According to Le-Chatelain principle, the addition of carboxylate ions from sodium acetate to the solution of acetic acid shift equilibrium of dissociation of acetic acid to left. Thus, reverse reaction is favors in which carboxylate combines with H plus to form unionized acetic acid. Hence, dissociation of acetic acid is suppressed due to presence of sodium acetate containing a common CH3COO minus ions. Okay? The common ion effect state that the ionization of a weak electrolyte is suppressed in presence of strong electrolyte containing an ion common to the weak electrolyte. Then common ion effect and solubility. Common ion effect and solubility. The presence of a common ion also affect the solubility of a sparingly soluble salt. Consider the solubility equilibrium of AgCl to give Ag plus Cl minus. The solubility product of AgCl is Ksp is equal to Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. Concentration of Cl minus. Okay. Then suppose silver nitrate AgNO3 is added to the saturated solution of AgNO3 AgCl. The salt of AgNO3 being a strong electrolyte dissociates completely in the solution. AgNO3 to gives Ag plus in aqueous medium plus NO3 minus ions. The dissociation of AgCl and AgNO3 produce a common Ag plus ions. The concentration of Ag plus ion in the solution increases owing the complete dissociation of AgNO3. आता यामध्ये प्रिसिपिटेशनमध्ये आपल्याला ज्यावेळी AgCl मध्ये आपण AgNO3 टाकतो त्यामध्ये प्रिसिपिटेट तयार होतो आणि being a strong electrolyte dissociate completely in the solution. AgNO3 हे याचं complete dissociation होऊन Ag plus आणि aqueous medium आणि NO3 minus aqueous फॉर्म होतो. The dissociation of AgCl and AgNO3 produce a common Ag plus ion. The concentration of Ag plus ion in the solution increases owing to complete dissociation of AgNO3. According to Le-Chatelier principle, the addition of Ag plus ions from AgNO3 to the solution of AgCl shifts the solubility equilibrium of AgCl from right to left. The reverse reaction in which AgCl precipitates is favored until the solubility equilibrium is re-established. The value of Ksp, however, remains the same since it is an equilibrium constant. The solubility of a sparingly soluble compound thus decreases with the presence of a common ion in a solution. Okay, धन्यवाद.